Alright, this is the ColourPop birthday package. 49th birthday? I just looked it up and already forgot. So, I know I had just ordered the other surprise box, but this is another surprise box. So, ColourPop's my favorite makeup brand, so this was free with any purchase. It's really pretty. And I actually got 2 of these because I ordered, they had their gel cream eyeliner on sale for $5. So I ordered another package like the next day. So I got a second one of these. You get one with each order. So, well, I think this is a different flavor than what I got in my last one. I really like it. I've been using it almost every day, and it doesn't leave my lips dry or anything. So that's nice. And then this is a really pretty sparkly yellow. Super Shock Shadow. Is this another lip? Pistachio, oh, it's a lip mask. Pistachio gelato. And sorry. Okay, how's that? Much better. So this is what color? I can't tell. What is wrong with me? I don't know. I guess it's like a light pink color. A lippy sticks. I feel like this is maybe some of the same stuff. Oh, this is a makeup sponge. This is Cloud Whip Blurring Liquid Lipstick. Liquid blush. And then this Luxe lip stuff. And then, ooh, that's pretty. Blush Baby. It's eyeshadow palette. I don't have these types of colors in a whole set, so that's nice. I'm gonna have to go through my makeup and get rid of some stuff because I have older stuff. So I feel like some of the stuff might be the same. I'm gonna have to take a look and see. The colors are probably different. Anyways, this was okay, sorry. This was $49. So I think it's a good deal. I do need to take a break from buying the makeup though. This color, it's because it's light pink on like with white. My contacts are not that good. Anyways, we'll be able to tell in the video. So I'm curious if some of these colors are different than what I got in the last surprise box. Alright, and this is what I got in my other package. So I am a fool for their cream eyeliners. I can't really do like a cat eye or anything. So I'm just not good at it. So, oh, it looks like I got this color. Anyway, so they were $5 each. So I don't think that's too bad. And then I got another one of the eyeshadows for free too, and that's not why. Like if I had noticed, or if the sale was for $5 when I bought the surprise box, I would have gotten the eyeshadows too. I'll probably give this to my daughter just because she does really, her makeup's really pretty, and she can do a cat eye and stuff, but I think that she'll like the sparkles. I love sparkles. So yeah, I think it was a good deal for the $49, especially with the extra free eyeshadow. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to compare what I got in the other the spring surprise box versus this birthday surprise box and see what the difference was. Okay, so I got the stuff that I got in the spring surprise box. Oh, this bubble wrap. So I got a lip mask in that box, but it's different than the one I got in the birthday one. Clearly different colors. And then I got a lip scrub, I think, in the spring one, but I didn't get that in the birthday one. I did get this makeup sponge and this eyeshadow, which is different. So, and then as you can see, I got an eyeshadow palette in each one. And then I got, this is an eyeliner, it's red, which is interesting. And this was from the spring box. And then the eyeliner that I got in the birthday one is that pink one, which it looks pink. And then in the spring box, I got a lippy sticks. I think this is the color that I got in the spring box. I haven't tried it yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like give it to somebody as a gift. And then this is a different color. So I got a lippy sticks in both. And then this lip gloss that I got in the birthday one, it is different than the one I got in the spring one, but I've been using the spring one, so it's not here. But this is peach mochi, and I'm pretty sure that the one I'm using doesn't smell like peach. I'm excited to use it. And as you can see, I got a liquid blush. It's like a really pink color. And then I got this liquid blush. This was the spring, and then this is the birthday. So different colors. And then the Cloud Whip is also different colors. And then I got this ColourPop lip gloss. It's a lip stain. And then I got this Luxe lip oil. So it's pretty even. I mean, they cost the same. They're both $49. So yeah. So nothing was the same, which I like. Yeah. Do you guys have a favorite ColourPop product? Like I said, the gel liners are really my favorite. When the sparkly ones came out, I bought one of each. But it's been a while, and so that's why I bought those new eyeliners, because I really need to pretty much get rid of the other ones because I've been using them and they're kind of like dried out. So I'm excited to try these different eyeliners. Yeah. I might have an issue with buying makeup, but the good thing is the things that I don't use I can give to my oldest daughter as gifts. And yeah, ColourPop is awesome. I love the sparkles, and you know, they smell good too.